Hello friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Today's video is of a different kind. I'm going to show you how I am going to repot my calathea. This is the calathea plant and this is the pinstrip calathea. It's a beautiful one, and see from where the baby plant has emerged from the water hole. Now this is my Syngonium strawberry ice. It has become quite a big plant, and I'm going to separate a baby plant from there as well. So let us start off with our calathea. For calathea, I don't have any plan for removing, and see, that's the hawathea that is growing along with the calathea. That's a succulent. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the plant which is emerging from the bottom. That is the water hole, drainage hole. From there a shoot had emerged. I have shown you in a number of videos, and I have been telling you I will repot, and so finally I am doing that. I will just be repotting two plants. My pot is ready, soil is all ready, because I don't want to do the mixing in my room, because if I do that I have to work another half an hour cleaning the space. So let us get started. My flower pot is already ready, the soil is all set, and see, I have spoons, I have forks, I have bowls as gardening tools, or whatever you wish to say. And here I'm using my spoon. This is the calathea. Look at it, it's a beautiful shade loving plant. You can place it indoors as well, but during the summers, or if it is placed in direct sunlight, the leaves starts burning, the edges, it turns brown. Lot of blah blah. Now let's get back to work. As I told you, my pot is all ready. I am going to remove the soil, some of it, from the flower pot, so that I can place my plant gently and then cover it. I'm going to remove the soil. Soil is the ordinary garden soil with some amount of compost, nothing special. And here I am placing my plant. This is the best time to propagate calatheas, pothos, syngoniums. I have been telling you repeatedly. And now I'm going to put the soil all around the plant so that my plant is straight enough. And calathea is a shade loving plant, as I told you. It can be grown indoors, it can be easily propagated, very easy to maintain. It's a low maintenance plant, perfect for beginners as well. My plant has tilted a bit because you saw the bottom is not that very straight. Anyway, it's going to straighten up once the roots start developing, and once the roots catch the soil. Now this is another tiny pot that I am preparing. It's not coming in the frame, but it's nothing special. I'm just adding soil, removing soil, and here my spoon is being used for digging. Now this is my Syngonium, the strawberry ice. What am I going to do? Should I pull it or should I remove the plant? I think that's a beautiful baby plant, so I removed it. See, all set to be removed, because the roots have binded all around the soil. And from here I am going to remove a baby plant without injuring the mother plant. I just saw there are at least two more baby plants that can be removed, which I'll be doing again. And the mother plant, I have put it back into the pot. The pot also actually has become small for this mother plant. This mother plant either has to be removed to a bigger pot, or the baby plants have to be removed from the mother plant and placed or grown in separate pots. So this is the baby plant with a good root development, and the root is all intact, nothing injured, no injuries. Sometimes I forget what I should say also. Now let's add the soil gently all around the plant. And the best part about Syngoniums is you don't have to worry. It grows well during the summers, winters, and the rainy season. It's the best time for the Syngoniums. So here I am putting the soil all around the plant. Soil is the simple garden soil with a little bit of cow dung manure, nothing extra. I had bought a packet of seaweed granules, and I'll show it to you sometime in the upcoming videos, and that time when I show you, I'm going to add those to the plants so that they get the extra nutrition that is required. You know, friends, I was planning to do this for quite a long time, and finally it is done. I am so very relieved. I am happy that at least I could do this. I could take this small step because I don't get time. And yes, I am happy. Finally, this is how my plant looks. Baby plants, both are baby plants, but doesn't look like babies. They have become teenagers. Anyway, this is it. And I am very, very happy with my work. So this is it. Now I am going to take them up to the terrace and place them in a shady spot for a few days. So thank you, my dear friends, for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye for today.